In this video, I am going to show you how to download Canva app directly to your laptop using Windows 10 or 11. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Type Canva download for laptop in the search bar and hit enter to initiate the search. Look through the search results for a link that directs you to the official Canva website. This is crucial to ensure you're downloading the legitimate app. Once on the Canva website, locate the Download Canva for Windows button. This option should prominently displayed, catering specifically to Windows users. Click the download button and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the download process. The installer should automatically download your default download folder. Navigate to your download folder, navigate and find the Canva installer file and double-click on it to start the installation process. Follow the prompts provided by the installation wizard to complete the setup. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.